talking margin for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy MagnusMagneto from Now or Never crew, and in this tutorial I'm teaching you guys a little footwork combo that I just created. Let's go. So you can start off either from a push-up position, or what I like to do is I like to start from a 6-step. So I go one hand down just like this, then my kicking leg, I kick to the front first, then I hook it in. Other leg crosses, step back, then I cross here. I bring my leg behind to a hook position, then I kick into this hook. This leg kicks to the front like this. Boom, okay? Then I go squat in. This leg is a 4-step kick, going in, out. Then I bring it behind me to here. Then with my head leading, I bring this leg in like this, so it goes together, sweep, and then I rotate, boom, onto my toes. And by my toes, I mean my heels. I rotate all the way around. Then I come down, both hands down. My front leg steps back first, so I can cross the other direction with the other leg. Then I step out, then I cross in here. Then we repeat the same cycle on the other side. So again, hook and kick this leg front, step. Then this leg does the same 4-step kick, cross in, open up. Then it goes behind, sweep it all the way behind. Then again with my head leading, I go in, onto my heels, rotate around. Again, leg in front goes around. 1, so I can step the other leg. 2, side, step, hook in, and kick, front, 4-step hit, open, around, and head, boom, going down, around, step to the side, hook, right here, hit, sweep, hook, open, behind, leg and head together, sweep around. Okay, so then that's basically the movements. Now I'm gonna break down the hard parts of it. So the first one, let's go over that hook in the front here. So basically, this is a hook that my crewmate Jack, is the first one I saw do, and I fell in love with it. So basically you go hook like this, and then you wanna twist your hips inwards, and then out as you kick. So it has that kind of snapping motion, okay? So watch, it goes boom, like that. So you bring in, and then you hook outwards, like that. In and out, just like that, okay? So again, going step in, 1, 2, like that. Then sweep this leg, boom, this is easy. This is easy. Right here, this part, I was like messing with it. I was like, a spin on my heels feels too easy, but then when you add your head into it, it adds this really nice, cool effect to it. So again, it's all mostly in the head that makes it look cool. When this leg sweeps in, again, your head has to match it. Going head inwards like this. So your head's hugging that shoulder. Then when you're coming down, right here, it's just a jumble of steps to get back to the other side. Going 1, 2, side, normal 6-step out. So just make sure you do those jumble of steps to get to the other side. Doesn't really matter how you do it, okay? So those are the 2 hardest parts. If you can master those parts, it's gonna be pretty easy, okay? So let's try medium tempo so you can kind of see what I mean. Going from the 6-step in the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, hook and hit, boom, up, swing, step, side, hit, open, behind, head, in, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 okay? Hard to do that slow. So once you can do all that, all you gotta do, put it together, and then you have the footwork combo, a nice little pattern, a nice little up and down. Feel free to dissect it, flip it, do whatever you want with it. I just created it on the spot. So again, make it yours, make it dope. I really like it, so here we go.
And it's a ticket, talking margin for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, comma and.
So as you guys saw right there, I only did like 1.5. If you want to do both full rotations, by all means, be my guest. I just, obviously one side for me is a lot better than the other side. It's always gonna be that way. So I like to do kind of 1.5, but do 2, flip it, and make it yours again, rearrange it. If you like more tutorials like this, let me know. Kind of little one-off ones where I'm just gonna teach you a little bit of a choreo. If you like a beginner and intermediate one too, let me know. Because this is kind of a bit more advanced. Again, comment down below, let me know. It's your boy MagnusMagneto from Now or Never crew. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and smash button for more videos. Thanks so much.
Love is love.